Hello, this is lecture 8, 6th sem, Math 3 by Ramanjan sir, Department of Mathematics. Right. In lecture 7, we discussed the open interval, closed interval, open sets and closed sets. Now, problems based on these closed interval, closed sets, open interval and open sets. So problems. First problem. Show that a very closed interval, a comma b is a closed set. So closed interval is a closed set in the real space. R comma u. In the real space R comma u. This is the problem asked in 2016 problem. So let us prove that closed interval is a closed set. Solution. Let closed interval a comma b be a closed interval. Closed interval implies closed interval a comma b whole complement is equal to r minus closed interval a comma b. This is equal to open interval minus infinity comma a union open interval b comma infinity. This is equal to open interval is always to be the open set. So open set union open set. This is equal to open set. Since in real space R comma u so in real space R comma u union of arbitrary union of open sets is open, so that union of two open sets is again a open set, implies r minus closed interval a comma b is open set, implies closed interval a comma b is a because r minus is open set is closed interval a comma b is a closed set. So that closed interval a comma b is a closed interval, whereas closed interval a comma b is a closed set. Next, Second one, show that every open interval is an open set in the real space R, U. So this problem is asked in 2018, 2020. See that now. Same as the previous problem, the procedure. Let open interval A, B be an open interval. Open interval A, B hold as is equal to R minus open interval A, B. This is equal to minus semi-open, semi-closed, minus infinitive, comma, semi-closed A, union, semi-closed B, comma, infinity. Semi-closed, semi-open, B, comma, infinity is equal to closed set union closed set. So union of closed sets is again a closed set. Union of closed sets is again a closed set because different elements are there which are to be closed sets. If the common element is there, it is not to be the closed sets. Here is also A, here is also A, suppose, which cannot be the closed sets. So here is A, here is B, no common element A or B, so that this is the closed set and this is the closed set. Implies R minus open interval A, B is a closed set. This implies open interval A, B is an open set. The simple theorems or problems. Right. Third one. Show that the set of natural numbers. So that the set of natural numbers n subset of R is a closed set. In R, U. So solution, let n is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, and so on with the set of natural numbers. R minus n is equal to R minus set of 1, 2, 3, and so on is equal to open interval minus infinity, 1 union open interval 1, 2 union open interval 2, 3 and so on. Is equal to union of open sets. Union of open sets is equal to open set. This implies R minus set of n is an open set. is an open set, implies N is a closed set. N is a closed set. So minus infinity comma 1, this is an open set, this is an open set. Suppose open interval 1 comma semi closed is not open, is not open, semi open, semi closed 1 comma 2 is not open. So both 1 comma 2 big small bracket is to be open set. This type of small bracket and big bracket, if I take semi open, semi closed is not open. Anyhow, these are all open sets. Union of all open sets is an open set by the property. Next, fourth problem. Show that every singleton set, show that every singleton set, every singleton set in the real space, in the real space R comma U is closed set, is closed set. So solution, this was asked in 2018, 2015. The very simple, by singleton set, by singleton set we mean a set containing a single point, a single point. This is like this. Suppose 0, this side is minus 1, and 2, 3, like that, and so on. Set of A is single element. Let A be a real number. A be a real number. We shall prove that set of A is closed. Set of A is a closed set. Set of A is equal to R minus set of A is equal to open interval minus infinity comma A union A comma infinity. Common element is there, and set of 1 whole dash is equal to R minus set of 1. That means 1 complement is equal to R minus set of 1 is equal to open interval minus infinity comma 1 union 1 comma infinity, like this. And each of the infinite intervals, each of the infinite intervals is an open set. Each of the infinite number of open intervals, every open interval is an open set, is equal to open set union open set is equal to open set. So R minus set of A is an open set. implies set of A is a closed set. Thus, singleton set is a closed set in R, U. So the remaining theorems are there that we will see in the next class. Thank you very much.